So, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to talk about addressing modes. So, this is a whole another field, which is computer organizations. So, basically, this is about how the information you give to the computer through input devices is being processed, or if you type an Excel word, or if you store a data, how things are getting stored in the computer or in the processor. So, today we're going to talk about addressing modes, which comes in the memory part of the computer. So let's start. What is an addressing mode? The different ways in which the location of an operand is specified in an instruction are addressing modes. So basically, if you store data in a memory, there are different ways to store this memory. So this is called as addressing mode. So instruction cycle in PC. PC is basically program counter. So as I said, it is divided into three major phases: fetch the instruction, decode the instruction, execute the instruction. So let's take the example of a mouse or a keyboard. So you type certain keys on the keyboard. This is and the system or the processor fetches this instruction. So this is the fetch instruction. Now the information or the instruction you're given to the computer is being processed or decoded. So this is decoding in the instruction. Now you want to see the result of the output. So this is being executed and displayed onto the output on the monitor, or it might not be necessary for you to, or for the processor to show the output. Sometimes the end result might be for the storage of data. Now PC is a register. It keeps track of the next instruction that needs to be executed. Once the instruction is executed, it is incremented by one so that the consecutive instruction has to uh, is being executed. Instruction format and an example of instruction format: opcode, mode, address. So these three are given in simple words over here. You can read it, pause and so there are different addressing modes. Let us go through each and one. Now, in this mode, this is implied mode. So in this mode, the operands are specified implicitly in the definition of instruction. For example, zero address instruction and stack organized CPU. The operation type instruction do not need an address field. The instruction add in a stack computer consists of an operation code only with no address field. There's no need to specify operands with an address field since all operands are implied to be in the stack. So stack is basically data being stacked upon one upon one. So like first in first out, last in first out. You don't need to go in detail about stacks. You just need to know about implied mode. Next, auto increment mode. In this mode, EA of the operand is the content of register specified in the instruction. After or before accessing the operand of the content of the register are automatically incremented or decremented to the step sized. This mode is similar to the register indirect mode, except that register is incremented or decremented after its value is used. So this is the example of auto increment mode. Direct addressing mode. In this mode, EA address of operand directly given in instruction. In this mode, the effective address is equal to the address part of the instruction. The operand resides in memory, and its address is given directly by the address field of the instruction. Again, you can pause and go through the example of direct addressing mode. And this mode address field of an instruction gives an instruction give the address where the EA is stored in the memory. Control fetches the instruction from memory and uses its address part to access memory again to read the EA. Relative addressing mode. In this mode, the content of the PC is added to the address part of the instruction in order to obtain the effective address. So here you can see that PC has B. So PC is keeping a track of the next, or PC is keeping a track of B which is being executed, and at the same time, it is incremented so that the next instruction is fetched from the memory, and that can be executed. index addressing mode. In this mode, the content of an index register is added to the address part of the instruction to obtain the effective address. Base register. It is a special CPU register that contains an index value. Address field of the instruction defines the beginning address of data which are in memory. Each operand in array is stored in memory relative to the beginning address. So that's it for this video. These are the types of addressing modes that you need to know. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.